Welcome to my world, where I feel most at home. Reasons will always change, but the meaning still stays the same.
Hello? Yo, Bobby. Oh, man, dude. It's that guy again. What's his name? Kiss. Marcus. Mars and Kiss, yeah, him. Yo, I don't know, I'm here, I'm in the crib, and he's making us like some type of thing. You know, they make it at Papa John's, Domino's Pizza. Yeah, dude. I don't know, he's whipping something up. They're gonna eat it, I guess. Yeah? Yeah? So you're telling me they're gonna make pizza? Whoa, dude. All right, man. I'll keep. Hello? No, dude. No. Ah!
Hello, hiya. You. So, freak. Me and Mason are gonna make pizza, but not your ordinary pizza. Guess what it's gonna be? Pancake pizza, dude. Pancake pizza. How are we gonna do that? Just gotta watch. You gotta watch. Watch. What time is it? Black o'clock. Black History Month.
You know, the first step is to put that mix. You know, I'm gonna get that first.
All right, pour it. Don't be shy. Give it a try.
Marshmallow.
Got Mason stirring over here, and then I'm gonna just turn the oven on 350. And then I'm gonna prepare our pizza pan. Italian now, you know, that's that Italian and a little bit of black, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of in the hood. A little bit of I'm hungry. You don't get it? Okay. I get it.
A black Italian?
Oh my goodness.
I don't get it.
Just go along. Alright, here we go. See, we don't want it to stick, so we're going in a circular motion. Like spray paint, you know. And then Mason's gonna put okay, that's too much. Mason's gonna put the cinnamon inside of our okay.
You dig, man.
Okay, Jamaican. You can put that in there now.
Yes, sir, man.
Yes, sir. This is my apprentice, him, boy.
Hello, Mike.
Hello. Cut it. Bow, bow. Alright, well, for our toppings today, we're gonna have apple and Fruit Loop pizza, and so we got apples and we got Fruit Loops. So like basically these the sausages and then these the pepperonis. Oh, and then so now we're going to pour it into the pan. Come on, dude. Here we go. I hope this works. I got those for my mommy. Alright, we got a full pan now. Mason's gonna drop the apples. Go ahead, drop them on. Wherever you want. Drop, fast. Drop, fast. Work it, do it, work it. Oh my god, slow guy. Dude, we don't have that much. Spread them out. Oh my, look what he did. The whole pizza, he just puts it in the same place. Come on.
I like a face.
A face?
Then that's an eyebrow.
That's face, that's your face.
And then that's the earring.
Okay.
And then that's a freckle.
A freckle! Now Fruit Loops. A handful. Go ahead, do some things with it. Come on, yeah. Ooh, that drip drop. Now, usually, we don't eat pancakes without the minor, you know, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just give a little design to the pizza. Like this. Like that. But you thought it was done? You thought it was done? No. Now I got that zigzag. Now we're done. Oh snap! I think the pizza's ready. That was corny. No? Right! You look light skinned. I'm brown skinned. I'm a little bit of that cinnamon, you know, that cinnamon. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Here we go. It looks good.
It looks like a pizza. Look at the crust.
Ooh. Alright. Mason's gonna try it first. Is it good? Genius. You can go.
Oh, it's crunchy.
No, not.
It's long.
Pick up. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good juicy stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Brooklyn. Yeah. Come on.